Can't live without you. I can't live without you. My heart belongs to you. Belongs to 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 you. Belongs to you.
It never beats but it bounces, and I can never feel it deeper in my conscience. I gotta keep it real safe for my baby girl. That's why I gotta lose a couple ounces. There can never be another girl, never one that got 1,000 spells. You and mine having no nerve, that's why you can never find God in hell. When it's hard to tell where my head is at when I'm not with you, and you're the real deal. My remedy more than pills. They been trying to make me lose affection, but I always gotta prove I'm wrong through this actions. Got so much love like a mother's patience. You stole my heart and I found in your possessions.
I can't live without you. I can't live without you. My heart belongs to you. Belongs to 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 you. Belongs to you. I never fall in love with anyone like you. You got it always figured out. I need to know you more, all of you. Baby, I hear to a song. Come here, girl, stay close right here with me. Every dream can be sad, it's gonna be real. Sometimes I don't feel like I wanna live. I'm never feeling good here without you. I can't live without you. I can't live without you. My heart belongs to you. Belongs to you. My heart belongs